Okay, here's a video about putting in Airline Track accessories. Got this, there's a spring, it pops in. You essentially are putting the circle into the track. It goes over and then the spring holds it in place and it can't move. And these things apparently have like 3,000 pounds of braking force. You press the button and it comes out. Pretty neat system. This came from the airline industry, is my understanding, and is used to tie down loads and whatnot. But pretty neat. This is how our bed system in our Sprinter van is set up. I'm gonna put some more things, some accessory loops in here just to tie down some stuff underneath the van and organize and store things.